If your phone's brightness feels too dim even at maximum level, don't worry, there's a simple setting that can fix this. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix brightness too low issue on your Android phone. So, let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. Now, scroll down a little and tap on Display and Brightness. Inside the display settings, look for an option called Adaptive Brightness or Auto Brightness. Once you find it, simply turn it on. This feature automatically adjusts your screen brightness based on your surroundings, which helps make your screen brighter when needed and more comfortable in low light. After enabling it, go back and try increasing your brightness manually from the control center to see if the issue is fixed. If your screen still looks dim, make sure that battery saver mode is turned off, because it can reduce brightness to save battery. Another helpful step is to restart your phone, which can fix minor bugs affecting brightness. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.